How to make Google Slides transition automatically. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Slideshow, which is on top beside Share on right side. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then you'll find three dots on bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Open the Options menu. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Autoplay. You'll find all these options for transition. You cannot select a specific one for a specific slide. All will be for specific. And after that, you can also add loop. And this is how to make Google Slides transition automatically. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.